Well, good morning, guys. So we're starting the day. It's Thursday, December 7th. It is also Piper's birthday, the little girl that my mom and I take care of sometimes. And so happy birthday to Piper. I don't think she's gonna watch this, but happy birthday to her. It's a beautiful day. I am wearing a little bit of I'm wearing my license to sell sweatshirt, and it looks like it's gonna be chilly today. So I hope, I'm putting layers today so that way I don't have to struggle like the other day. But I have tons of things to do again, things to do here in the house, and I made a list. And I want to first address this kitchen island, because I think this is going to be one of the things that needs to be done so that it feels really Christmassy around here. And then finish the corner as well, and also do the, hold on, I need my coffee. Do this, the coffee station, because right now we have still a little bit, I didn't really decorate too much for fall. I just did this in everything give thanks. So I was thinking maybe I'll do something in the back Christmassy. That way it has double purpose. And then I had this pumpkin. That one my dad also got somewhere. I don't know if it was from the Goodwill as well, but they got good stuff sometimes. Nowadays, not too much, but yes. And then I had a pumpkin here. My air plant, just wanted to share, had a pup. Can you see that? It's the tiniest thing. I love it. So yeah, you just gotta change the whole scenery here, change out my cups, because I have some Christmas cups from Guatemala, from a bakery there that is really famous over there, San Martin. And so yeah, we're gonna do that today. We're gonna clean as well here, a lot of cleaning guys, and just getting this house up and ready for Christmas. Which, by the way, is also my birthday, Christmas Day. I never get double birthday gifts, so don't ask if I do. So, but I'm grateful for the people that remember me and remember that it's my birthday, and for my family that comes and visits. So, with that said, I'm just gonna have my coffee, finish editing for yesterday. No, for a couple of days ago, and then hopefully upload and get everything going. So I'm not nearly close. I thought I was close to just uploading, but it has, where the program that I'm doing it in has no music that is royalty free or copyrighted. Royalty free. So I have it all edited. Now I just need to move it to another program where I know the music is good and it's royalty free, which is great, but it's on my phone. So I have to take out what I have on my phone and then load this one, because otherwise it doesn't work out. So I'm not nearly close to where I thought I was gonna be ready to upload in an hour. No, not even close. I'm just gonna do this, and then hopefully we can get a video up today sometime. I'm still trying to do the uploading, or this is exporting of the video from December 5th to, I had already done it, but something tells me here that it's not working. See, it says it's not up, which is so weird. And I already tried to see all the other footage, and it's all the bits and pieces of the video, but it's not working. So now what I need to do, I'm using this Capcut. This is the first time that I used this one. Well, this is the second time. So it's still doing this. I don't have a video right now. That's all I can tell you. So what I've decided to do is just start doing the kitchen part over here. So, oh my gosh, and I need to do lunch right now at the same time. So I'm gonna start doing lunch actually first. Food is of utmost importance for my dad. I can wait a little bit longer for food, but my dad, he's like, I need food, so we need to give him food. His tummy doesn't take not or waiting too much for food. Does that happen to you? So I'm looking at chicken. We're a chicken household here, and I gotta figure out what to do. I already did curry, and we had that for the last couple of days because we had leftovers. And so I'm trying to figure out what can I do? I don't know. Maybe I'll just do chicken, and I have spinach. I have onions, and what else do I have? We are very blessed. We have food to make. So I'm not sure. I'll figure it out and I'll let you know. But right now it's cooking time. Update on lunch. I'm gonna do, like I mentioned, chicken with spinach. I have potatoes, so that's gonna be our starch. Chicken is the protein, and I'm gonna cut up a little bit more of the potatoes so that we can have a little bit more. And that's it. And I think maybe if I do that with some garlic as well, and maybe I can finish it off with some cream, that'll be that. And that's gonna be lunch. And update also on my phone, not on my phone, but the video. I was able to finally load the video, and now I have it on my phone. I'm adding music, and from there I still have to do a thumbnail, which, silly thumbnails, I can never get them right, guys. It's always like, it's the click-through rate on my thumbnails is like going down each time more and more. So I'm super bummed. It's like, I can never figure it out, you know? It's like, and that's one of the main things about YouTube, is trying to get that click-through rate with the thumbnail. I mean, I don't know, maybe content too. I hope my content is good. That's why I'm trying to, you know, be better each time. But I don't know, it's not performing. As the YouTubers say, it's not performing well. So we'll see. That this is one of the things that I was kind of like debating, and this is the year where I have to just really kind of like decide, do I want to continue with YouTube? Do I want to figure it out and keep going? You know what they say, you're not a loser until you quit. So I didn't want to be a loser. I didn't want to quit. So, but maybe it's just something that I need to do so that I can move on to other things, right? So we'll see. The main focus of my channel is not like, look at me, look what I'm doing, but look what you can do, and look how you can do it, you know, like teach and be helpful and be of service. So if it doesn't work out, if people don't like it, that's fine. I guess I just have to move on and listen to that gut feeling, which was telling me keep going, but now the gut feeling is like kind of like down and out. So anyways, I'm gonna keep doing my lunch here, and I'll show you a little bit of how it ends up looking. Every time I video my cooking, it ends up looking really bad. So I'm just gonna do like the final stage of it, because right now I'm feeling a little bit deflated on all fronts. So I don't know. I'll show you later. Okay, so I already left everything in the stove. I'm checking on my dad to see how he's doing, because I haven't heard from him. So let me go see. And I'm happy to see this. I'm happy to see him working and feeling better, because he was feeling like he couldn't move before. So seeing him do his thing and start like going around the house doing things is a good sign. Thank God. So he's cleaning this out because we're gonna put it out for sale. And he put he's just saying that the tires are are full of air because we were looking for that thing and it was nowhere. And then I left it somewhere where it was hidden. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. So I have about 20 minutes because the chicken is cooking to go finish editing, and that way maybe get that video uploaded finally. And I have to think about that thumbnail. Oh, sí. Para ponerle ahí. Check it out. So blessed my dad is. He's feeling much better. That's my usual dad. We're saying the tires, yay! We're saying the tires need a little bit more air, but they need something. The tires need something. I don't know what it is, but super cool to see my dad like this. And guys, we need to take care of this. This looks so depressing. It's fall, Christmas. My mom got those chairs somewhere, and then my mom's died from the fall. It's just a very sad entrance right here, so we need to get rid of that situation there. I need to get rid of a bunch of stuff that is here, and we had taken down the cabinets because we needed to move them, and now those are there. We need to move that, so a lot of work here in the house. I have to get to it. So hopefully the editing is done and I can make it shorter videos so that I can get to all of this stuff. I got enough Christmas fluff. It's from the tree outside in the patio. It's on my neighbor's side, but it just so happens that the leaves fall the right way where I can just... And it's not a lot, but it's on my side though. Okay guys, I am in the Home Depot and I'm looking for spray for a couple of tables that we have, but they need to be for outdoors, for exterior. So it's an exterior paint, and hopefully I can find it and then call somebody to come and get it open because it's closed. So we'll see.